All right, we're taking a look at number 20 from 4.1. You know, I only am doing it because it's a word problem, and I know that a lot of people, once they see a word problem, just get a little scared, right? But I don't think this one's that bad, guys. I think we'll find that when we get done, that it wasn't that bad. So it says a once popular children's doll is slowly declining in popularity. The quartic function f of x, where x is the number of years since 1993, can be used to estimate the number of dolls of this type that were sold in thousands during a given year from 1993 to 2003. Estimate how many dolls were sold in 1999. So what you really want to take a look at is what X stands for. So as we are reading that, it pretty clearly says X is the number of years since 1993. Okay, so we want to know how many dolls were sold in 1999. So we have to figure out 1999 is how many years since 1993. And so we could just subtract to get that, right? 1999 minus 1993, it looks like it's been 6 years, okay? So that's what we're going to use for our X. So let X equal 6. And that's the gist of it. I mean, once you figured out that X has to be 6, just a matter of having the calculator and substituting this thing in, right? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put a 6 in. We're going to find f of 6. So this is what we're going to put in the calculator. Couldn't have given you an uglier function here, huh? That was ugly. I guess when you do real life problems, they are pretty ugly. Okay, so that's what we're going to substitute into the calculator. I don't even have it open. So let me go get that open right now. It is. Click on that. Trying to type it in without making a mistake. Boy, this is an ugly function. Hopefully I copied everything down right. Okay, let's see. 0.022 parentheses 6 to the 4th. And then plus 7 parentheses 6 to the 3rd. Minus 2.4 and 2 parentheses 6 squared to 36. And then minus 5.279. 6, and then plus 87.419. If I get this right on the first try, I'll be shocked. I'm really terrible with the calculator. All right, so it says round to the nearest 1,000. Okay, let me digest that really quickly. Okay. Oh, 36 point. Now, if you remember, if you read up here, this is already in thousands. So when we say this is 36, what 36.233 is we're saying it's like 36,000, right? So this is going to be 36,233 dolls. Now it says to round to the nearest 1,000. So here's the thousands place. And because there's a 2 behind it, I'm not going to round it up. I'm just going to leave it. Let me put an approximately symbol just to be precise. I'm going to leave it at 36,000 dolls. Okay, so let's go see if this is right. I'm in the calculator. Okay, so 36,000. Let's go check it. Wow, I can't believe it turned out to be okay. So, I mean, honestly, the hardest part's reading. I mean, we had to read a lot of different things here, that this X stood for the number of years since 1993. But we also had to read that the dolls is in thousands. And then we had to read that we had to round to the nearest thousand. So I tend to miss little details like that. So if you were getting it wrong, maybe it was something like that for you too. All right, hopefully this helps you guys. Take care.